Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Nicole and today we're going to be making buffalo chicken cauliflower melts. Roasted cauliflower gets topped with cheesy buffalo chicken. It's a little bit spicy and delicious. First thing we want to do is preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and we need to prep our cauliflower. You'll start by tearing away the outer leaves and trim out the core. Cauliflower makes a great platform because it's mild in flavor and can take on a wide variety of flavors. We need to cut our cauliflower into thick slices. You'll want them about 1 inch to 1.5 inches thick. Drizzle with olive oil and season on both sides with salt and pepper, being careful to keep your slices intact. And roast for 12 minutes in the preheated oven. And while our cauliflower is roasting, we're going to mix together the topping. I've got a couple ounces of cream cheese. And to the cream cheese, we'll add a couple tablespoons of Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce, or your favorite buffalo sauce. A sprinkle of salt. We'll just stir it together to combine. Next, we'll add cooked shredded chicken, about 6 ounces, and I've simply just gone and shredded a roaster chicken. A sprinkle of thinly sliced green onions, and about 2 ounces of shredded cheese. I'm using a spicy jack cheese today, but you could also use cheddar if you like, if that's what you have on hand. All right, here's our cauliflower, and we're just going to carefully flip it over. Again, trying to keep the slices intact. And then we'll divide the chicken evenly between the two. And naturally, we'll top it with just a little more cheese. And back in the oven it goes for about 12 to 15 minutes. And after our second roast, I've given it about a 60-second broil, just to make that cheese on top really melty. And if you like a little ranch dressing, just to top it off. Spicy, cheesy, and very satisfying as a low-carb meal. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.